Creating truly effective customized connector solutions takes the right mix of manufacturing capabilities and expertise. From high-volume production runs to small batch hand assemblies to engineering teams with unrivaled connectivity know-how, HARTING's North American facilities offer everything needed to create high-quality, cost-effective solutions. Purpose-built to overcome the challenges of offshore production, our newly opened facility in Silao, Mexico is designed for high-volume, high-quality production runs with excellent operational efficiency and cost savings. Sited within a mile of Guanajuato International Airport with a co-located customs warehouse, this facility offers quick, uninterrupted delivery from plant to warehouse to customer. Plus, strong relationships with nearby universities help maintain a highly skilled workforce. Reinforcing the capabilities of our Silao facility is our 110,000 square foot flagship facility in Elgin, Illinois, offering a wide range of automated cable processing equipment for manufacturing products with exceptional reliability and cost savings. Our automated equipment can reduce the labor needed to measure, strip, cut, label, coil, and package a wide range of connectors by as much as 90% when compared to manual methods. Automation capabilities combined with an ultra-clean manual assembly area enables our Elgin facility to turn around high-mix and even one-off production runs cost-effectively and with the greatest quality. Whether in the US, Mexico, Europe, or Asia, every HARTING factory benefits from our financial strength and scale. We carry deep local inventory for stronger supply chains. We use our purchasing power to control component costs, and we can add capacity as partnerships grow. And all of our factories, including our Silao facility, operate under a single rigorous quality protocol. Constant in-process inspections, including visual, high-pot, pull force, and cross-sectioning testing, as well as customer-specified tests, help us deliver highly reliable products. And our standardized approach to quality assurance ensures easy transitions between facilities for tailored production plans that fully leverage our global scale. Our Elgin and Silao state-of-the-art facilities, coupled with our connectivity and design expertise, makes HARTING the logical choice for industrial, rugged, and customized solutions. Whatever the scale, whatever the need, HARTING has the design and manufacturing capabilities needed to deliver the right solution. One that pushes the performance of our customers' products and their business.